Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and we are here today to do our daily recap of our stocks. First off, we're going to start with NIO on the daily time frame. Today was a pretty rough day in the market. We were down about 5%. The Nasdaq did start to fall near the end of the session. And as you guys can see, if we zoom in a little bit, we did bounce off resistance on this trend line and we are trending down. So I do expect to see a test of this bottom line of support and then potentially even trading down into this longer term wedge pattern. If we zoom in a little bit more onto the 30-minute time frame, you can see when it came down to this line of support, we did break down with high volume, so that did not look good, and you can see how large this candle is down here. So right now we did get rejected by that line of resistance, and we should be looking for a test of support coming soon. NIO down today about 5%. Second stock of the day is TSNP on the 30-minute time frame. Another day for TSNP, another day of trading sideways. We were down about 2.5%, but we are still in this consolidation phase as we have been trading sideways. There hasn't been any news come out yet, any updates on Humble, but we are still going sideways and we are yet to see any direction either upwards or downwards. That is TSNP on the 30-minute time frame, down about 3% today. Third stock of the day, GOEV on the daily time frame. We're looking at Canoo stock. Canoo stock had a very beautiful day yesterday off of a Kramer pump, but it followed up with a red day, only down about 0.35% today. However, we did tag this top line of resistance and we broke down immediately, which is a bearish signal. And I think those individuals who saw the Kramer pump yesterday that got in might have got trapped into the stock, because it does look like we will be heading lower again because this was a strong momentum push to the downside. So not the worst day for GOEV shareholders, only down about 0.35%, but longer term momentum does look a little bearish. Fourth stock of the day, BLOZF, Cannabis Technologies. We are looking at it on the daily time frame, and as you can see, we are sitting right above this line of resistance on my wedge pattern. But again, that does not tell the full story, so I will zoom it into the 30-minute time frame, and I am very pleased to say that we were hugging this 66 cents line the entire trading week last week, and we finally broke above. But as you can see, when we did tap the top of this line, we did break down, and now we are trading a little bit sideways. But it is better to see some volume come in and bring it up to the upside. Like I said, I do have a position here at 66 cents, anticipating a break out of this wedge pattern to the upside, and that remains to be seen. So we will see what happens to the stock in the very short future. Very excited to see what happens with this stock, but today we were up a healthy 7.35%. Last stock of the day, RDGL. Another beautiful day for Vivos shareholders. We are up about 19% today. We are creating higher highs and we are doing a healthy run up, not just a big boom that we saw earlier on. So we are still continuing this pre-anticipatory run till this FDA approval date. It is nice to see the stock hitting higher highs and higher lows. That is something you want to see in a healthy run up that is sustainable. Like I said, you don't want to have an exaggerated run up like we saw over here, because then there will be an exaggerated drop to the downside like we saw here. So we are seeing a nice little stair step forming here. We got a little run up, a little consolidation, a little run up, a little consolidation. I wouldn't be surprised to see a down day tomorrow for RDGL, but we are seeing a healthy run up. I really love this stock, RDGL. That is it for update. I just wanted to keep all of you guys in the loop of what I'm looking at. You guys might be looking at these stocks. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like the button. Don't be shy. Subscribe to the channel. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I will see you guys in the next one.